Resmed or Resmed. The pronunciation don't matter. The important thing is deadly snoring stops. Through its sleep and breathing health segment, Resmed primarily targets sleep-disordered breathing, SDB, especially obstructive sleep apnea, OSA. OSA occurs when the upper airway collapses during sleep, causing repeated breathing interruptions that reduce oxygen levels and fragment sleep. It's linked to hypertension, cardiovascular disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. Despite affecting hundreds of millions worldwide, diagnoses and treatment rates are low. Positive airway pressure, PAP, particularly continuous positive airway pressure, CPAP, is the first-line therapy. CPAP is not curative, but keeps airways open during sleep, improving survival and reducing comorbidity risks. Resmed focuses on improving device comfort, compliance, and connectivity, offering innovations such as auto-adjusting devices, bi-level systems, humidification, and digital engagement tools like myAir. Beyond OSA, Resmed addresses other respiratory conditions, including chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, overlap syndrome, COPD with OSA, obesity hypoventilation syndrome, OHS, and neuromuscular diseases such as ALS. COPD alone affects an estimated 480 million people globally and is a leading cause of death. Resmed's home-based non-invasive ventilation, NIV, and high-flow therapy aim to improve quality of life, reduce hospital readmissions, and lower healthcare costs. Clinical evidence supports the benefits of NIV and PAP therapy in improving survival, respiratory function, and quality of life across these conditions. In its residential care software segment, Resmed provides cloud-based platforms for home medical equipment, HME providers, home health and hospice agencies, skilled nursing facilities, and senior living communities. These platforms support billing, electronic medical records, analytics, compliance, interoperability, and workforce management. The software integrates with Resmed devices, allowing for efficient connected care based on data. Resmed's overall strategy tries to expand awareness, increase diagnoses and therapy adoption, integrate AI-enabled digital health tools, and leverage its large installed base of connected devices to deliver personalized, home-centered care while improving clinical outcomes and system efficiency. Resmed has a long history of innovation, beginning with its first CPAP device in 1989. Ongoing product development and clinical trials focus on enhancing existing devices, expanding digital health applications, and exploring new therapies for conditions associated with sleep apnea. Global clinical research and real-world data from connected devices inform product development, patient management, and adherence strategies. Input from physicians, marketing, and sales teams further guides the identification of clinical applications and new product opportunities. Products are marketed in over 140 countries, customizing approaches based on local awareness, physician referral patterns, consumer preferences, and reimbursement policies. In North and Latin America, sales are primarily through HME providers, supported by physician referrals. In Europe, Asia, and other regions, sales occur via subsidiaries and selected distributors, with direct-to-patient services in select countries. Residential care software is sold primarily in the U.S. Resmed operates a globally distributed manufacturing network in Singapore, Australia, the U.S., Malaysia, China, and France, producing and testing devices, masks, and accessories under ISO 13485, FDA, and other regulatory standards. Supply chain risks include transport disruptions, component shortages, and tariffs. Coverage and reimbursement are critical, especially in the U.S., and vary internationally. Legislative and policy changes can affect pricing, access, and reimbursement. Nonetheless, Resmed is capitalizing on growing mainstream recognition that sleep affects performance, recovery, and long-term health. With rising awareness driven by wearables, GLP-1 medications, and digital health tools. So, like a sleep schedule slowly improving from late nights and early mornings, Resmed's revenue from its most recent quarter reached $1.42 billion, up 11% year-over-year, as operating income rose 19% to $517.2 million. While gross margin expanded 310 basis points to 62.3%, reflecting manufacturing efficiencies and cost improvements. Operating margin reached 36.3%, and operating cash flow totaled $340 million for the quarter. And like firm and supportive mattresses and pillows, Resmed's balance sheet stays supportive with $1.42 billion in cash, $664 million in debt, and a net cash position of approximately $753 million, plus $1.5 billion in unused borrowing capacity. Capital allocation remains balanced. Over the past 3 years, 27% has gone to R&D, 33% to M&A, 31% to dividends, and 9% to buybacks. For fiscal year 2026, more than $600 million in share repurchases are planned, along with continued payment of a 60-cent per share quarterly dividend. Looking ahead, Resmed projects FY26 gross margins of 62 to 63% and sees long-term growth supported by vast addressable markets, seeing as how over 1 billion people have sleep apnea and 850 million have insomnia. At the same time, attention is directed at digital ecosystem expansion, AI-enabled devices, and strong PAP therapy adoption trends, particularly among GLP-1 users, setting the stage for beautiful stock dreams to come true. Now, before you doze off into another daydream slumber, keep track of sleepy market movers like Resmed by using TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free, link in the description and pinned comment.